Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a review demo on the Patrickstarrr collaboration he had with MAC. This one is the SO FLEEK combo. There's also another one called SO CHIC, but this one is SO FLEEK. So I'll give you guys a close-up of what's inside the box before we get started, and yeah. So this is how the box comes. It comes really pink, really pretty. I love the flowers. This is the back. And this retails for $59.99 before tax, Canadian. And with tax, it's a total about or around $68. So I'll open up the box for you guys so you guys can see what's in the box. So in the box, you receive a eyeshadow quad. It's 4 colors. This one is called Play For Me. 4 colors. I'll show the colors in the side. So this is how it comes. These are the 4 colors. You can see that I already like swatched and, you know, played with it a little bit. I wanted to see how it looks. I'm going to do a quick swatch for you guys. So this is the swatches of the 4 colors. It's really creamy, pretty. The pink right here is more like shimmery. This looks like a matte, but not really. These 2 colors. And then we have the infamous blue one right here. The collection also includes a powder blush duo. This one's called Take Me Home. I'll show you the colors. So right here you can see there's a 2-tone color scheme right here. It's really pretty. I like the bottom one a lot. That one is really cute. He also came out with a lip gloss right here. This nice lip gloss. It's called Queen P. I'll swatch it for you guys. And the final product that he came out with is a lipstick. And this one's called Hey Boy Hey. It's a really pretty color. I'll swatch it for you guys. This is how it looks like. It's like a pinky mauve-y tone color. Very pretty. This was the 4 products included into the SO FLEEK Patrickstarrr Collab with MAC. So I'm going to be using these products for today to give you guys a quick look for you guys. I already did my foundation, as you guys can see. I know I saw you guys already commenting. You guys want me to do a foundation routine. I'm for sure going to do that for you guys. And yeah, so let's get started. I did my face already. I also did my brows. Again, if you guys want to check out how to do your brows or how I achieve these brows, I'm going to link it up below up here, and you guys can always check it out. So first, I'm going to be using the blush duo. I'm actually going to try to use both, but I really just want to use the bottom one, to be honest, because I really like that color. A Beige Cosmetic, just regular powder brush. So I'm going to be using the quad today, and I'm just going to do something really cute for you guys. I'm going to be taking a blending brush, this color all over my crease. Hope you guys can see that. It's a pretty mauve-y color. Very pigmented, guys. So pigmented. I already primed also my eyes with my LA Girl concealer and set it with the Mercier. Taking another blending brush and taking this more pinkish tone and just put it a little lower than where my the taupe color is. Just actually gonna bring it more lower into the into your lids. I can't speak today. You put it on the edge right here and bring it down also in the inner corner a little bit. Almost like a halo look I'm trying to go for. It blends very creamily well. Very good. Patrick did a really good job. I really like this combination he has going on. I know the other palette is more pinky, right? Pink tones or something. But this one also have some pinks, but that blue is what attracted a lot of people into probably buying this palette instead of the other one. I'm going to be using a flat brush right here, and I'm going to spray my brush a little bit and take this nice pink right here and put it in the middle of between the pink. I met Patrick. He was really nice. I met him at Generation Beauty in Toronto in 2017. And I also met Nikita Dragun at the same time. They were so nice. So nice. Very sweet people. I went with my friends. If you guys want to see the vlog for that day exactly, I will link it up here too. You guys can watch that. He's a cool guy. He was like dancing when we were like dancing. It was so much fun. And I'm just going to take the same blending brush again that I used the pink and just blend. Do a quick liner, and I'm also going to add lashes. I'm using these lashes today. It's the Ardell Professional in 801. It's the Flawless edition. I think it's for like their more like bridal type of lashes. Hopefully they're nice. They look nice in the package, but hopefully. Take a small dome brush and take the blue and put it under my eyes. Black eyeliner in my waterline. I'm going to be using the NYX Collection Black Matte Liner here. And also add a little bit of mascara at the bottom lashes. Bitch, did you see that? Anything, I'm just gonna set my face with my dewy finish from NYX. Chrome in Molten Gold. Moving into the lips, I'm gonna be using MAC Cork Liner on my lips to use with the Patrickstarrr lip gloss right here. Yes, I like this color. So for the second lip combination, I'm going to be using MAC Vinyl with the Patrickstarrr lipstick right here. Enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any question or anything, you guys can comment down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.